Hello everyone, my name is Vedashri Tushar Matre. I am in 7th standard. Today I am going to say a speech on Republic Day. We all celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. India is a self-governing country since 15th of August 1947. India got independence from the British rule on 15th of August 1947, which we celebrate as Independence Day. However, on 26th January, since 1950, we celebrate as in Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into force on this day, so we celebrate this day as Republic Day. This year in 2022, we are celebrating 73rd Republic Day of India. This was the day on which the India became a sovereign and republic country. Thank you for giving me chance to speak this speech. Thank you.
Good morning. As you know, today all of us are here to celebrate 75th Republic Day of our country today. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January because the Constitution of India came to force on this day in 1950. This day reminds us of our freedom fighter who struggles and how the great freedom fighter of our country sacrificed their lives to get the Purna Swaraj. It's because of their struggles that we are living in a democratic country where each citizen has to right equality, has right to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights. Today is the time to reform our commitment in unity in diversity, fraternity and equality among all our citizens. I would to like wind up my speech followed by a moment of silence for great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a democratic nation. Thanks again for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you some information about Republic Day. 26 January. We celebrate it as Republic Day every year. Republic Day is a national holiday. We got freedom on 15th August 1947, but the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. Since that time, we celebrate it every year, and this year we are going to celebrate 72nd Republic Day of India. Republic Day is celebrated all over with joy and happiness. Cultural programs are held everywhere. National flag is hosted by our President of India at India Gate. Then the awards are presented to the brave soldiers. Means the celebration takes place all over the country. To mark this day, we should give tribute to our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life in freedom movement. On this day, people forget their caste, creed, religion and many more. It brings together to everyone. Republic Day is a day to celebrate the freedom and make sure to help each other. It truly shows the diversity of our country. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.